Hi everyone, this is a product unboxing for the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless lavalier microphone combo. In this video we're going to be doing the unboxing, size comparison, I'm going to be showing you a couple of features, and in another video I'm going to be showing you how to set up if you're interested. So with that, let's get started. The packaging for this mic looks sturdy and presentable, and also has a picture of how it looks like on the shirt. Some big sticker that says this is the Pro's Pick. So we have some packaging information. Open that to make sure that we have the right items. Okay. All right. Very nice display box and charging box. It's got a USB-C. Open it up and it looks like it might be a pre-charged. You'll also notice on the top of the case that it has these little plastic bits you want to take off. So here we have all the items. I'm going to put this to the side so we can check what else is in the box. A nice little bag that comes included. We have the charging case, we have the magnets, the receivers, the windshields, there's two, the cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. It looks like this has a strong magnet so that you can snap them in place and make sure that they're charging. Something to note is that there is little plastic on the items, at least on these two. Check all the little areas so that there's no plastic left so you can get the best charging. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. I think it's very sleek. This is a standard size sheet of paper. You kind of get an idea of just how small these items are. Let me see if I can show you just how powerful they are. Okay, I'll show you again. Like that is, it's strong. It's like you can put it right there. The little windshield, and it's ready to go. Well, it's really puffy and big compared to the actual mic, so I thought that was kind of funny. And then I'm just going to do the quick measurements. This is maybe ½ an inch, or you know, if we want to be generous, it's almost 3/4 of an inch. Okay, same thing. This is a little bit over an inch. It's 1 1/4 inches. And then the magnet itself, that's that's even smaller. So yeah, this is definitely ½ an inch mic. Okay, look at the adapter. It's about 1 1/4 inches. And this is same, about 1 1/4 inches. And the whole box itself, pretty sleek. It's about 3 inches and a little bit over 2 inches. It's close, see? So there you go, very portable. Okay, here's some of the items that came with it. I will go ahead and put them on the screen for you so that you have an idea, and I will also scan them and put them in the corresponding blog post, so you can check that out. Make sure that the mic is always up this way. I guess the best way to remember that is that the logo needs to be up. Okay, and then I'm also going to measure the cable in case you need to get an adapter, you need to get a longer cable, etc. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's even already charging. That's pretty cool. you're looking at about, I'm taking a guess here, 32 inches. That's with the, yeah, from like tip to tip. So I would say it's about 30 inches.
You'll notice that this cable is USB-A to USB-C. I will link longer cables that match this setup. I will also link USB-C to USB-C cables if you prefer to use the newer USB type.
This is a test to see if there's any difference between what you're hearing now and what you heard a few minutes ago. I'm currently recording with the new mic just to kind of see if there's any difference. This is without the little windshield. I'm going to put it with the windshield. I don't know if it'll make that much difference right now since we're inside. Okay, this is another test. This time I'm using the little windshield on the microphone. So this is what this sounds like with the wired mic. This is a generic mic that I purchased. I'll link it below in case you're on a really small budget and you're looking for something. And now I will switch over to the new mic. Okay, I'm recording with this mic. Oh, I got a little bit of fuzz. I have it right now away from myself. I'm going to place it on my shirt, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to tell if I have it on correctly. And now I'm going to put the little windshield, see if it makes any difference. All right, so this is with the windshield on, and right now it has a little green dot, so it says that noise cancellation is enabled. So up next, we're going to review the mic in detail, and then we're also going to do a couple of other tests and answer any FAQs. That's all in the next couple of videos. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Plus, there is also a blog post with this product. It goes into details. You can check out the PDF version of these items, and I will see you in the next video.